Hello, Rob here, and welcome back to RSM Custom Guitars, and thanks for coming back again. So today's video is just a very short one. It's a how to make a plectrum in under 10 seconds. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so these are a few sort of ideas and options you can have. Any old sort of credit cards that you've sort of invalid now, you can use these, or point cards or club cards, you can use these as well. Any old CDs you've probably got laying around, these will work as well. So start your clocks, and here we go. One plectrum. So it's it's as simple as that, really, if you can get the thing out. So this is a you can find these on eBay. This is actually a plectrum. It's called a plectrum punch. So you can find these on eBay or Amazon. These are about 10 to 15 pounds, which is probably under $20. And yeah, probably save you quite a lot of money in the long run. If you can source the material, you know, if you've got sort of this sort of stuff lying around, these are plenty good enough just for practicing. And yeah, well worth a little buy. Cheers, guys.